What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JV23 vlog. In this video guys, I will show you how to charge the accumulator with nitrogen gas. What is the proper procedure on refilling nitrogen gas onto the accumulator. So this is the continuation of my last video guys on how to overhaul the accumulator. So at this moment we are going to install the accumulator. So as you can see guys, before installing the accumulator, we have to ensure that the o-ring or the square ring from the accumulator side must be installed, and the hydraulic oil side, it should be cleaned properly so it will not leak during the main engine is in operation. Then after that, we have to tight install the locking bolt, the 4 locking bolt of the accumulator, and tight properly. So this is our engine guys. This is 6-cylinder engine, electronic engine guys. Now I am preparing the pressure gauge, digital pressure gauge for the accumulator, the regulator for the cylinders, the nitrogen cylinders. Now we will fill up the nitrogen cylinders. Let's install now the regulator on the nitrogen cylinders. So just keep in mind guys that the nitrogen gas cylinders should be full, or the pressure should be above from the accumulator side. So in this situation, our accumulator is empty. It has a zero pressure. When installing guys, we have to read the instruction book. We have to follow the instruction manual. So we need to use the infrared thermometer so that we can see the temperature upon charging the nitrogen gas. So this is the instruction manual guys. So as you can see, I'm going to show you the instruction manual in which there is a corresponding pressure in every temperature. So at 142 bar, at 32 to 36 degrees, or at 33 degrees centigrade, the pressure must come at 142 bar. So before opening the main cylinder guys, you have to close the outlet valve of the regulator just to check how much pressure of our cylinder. Okay, right now guys, I am increasing the pressure. Now it's open, the valve is open. So now I'm opening the main cylinder valve, main valve. So when increasing guys, just operate the regulator valve slowly and slowly. The charging hose is already connected onto the nozzle of the accumulator side guys. As you can see, this is the pressure that's slowly increasing. That means the nitrogen gas is already introduced into the accumulator side. So that's the regulator guys. I'm increasing the pressure of the regulator. So the nitrogen gas cylinder is about 150 bar, the pressure 150 bar. So we will fill up to 146, or at the range of 142 to 146 bar. Now it's slowly increasing, 109. Just slowly increase the regulator guys until we can reach our target. As you can see guys, I'm increasing the pressure up to the target of 146 bar at 36 degrees centigrade. it's 119, 120. Slowly and slowly it will increase the pressure. So just observe also guys during charging that there should be no any leakages, otherwise we will lose the nitrogen gas. So as you can see guys, we almost meet the target, and when you are almost there guys, just slowly increase from the regulator side. And now we already reached our target guys, which is the 145 bar at 36 degrees centigrade. So until here guys, I hope you learned something about this kind of video guys, and if you are interested on marine engineering videos, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video guys. Thank you for watching this JB23 vlog. Bye bye.